This is a week of faithful celebration.
At these moments, America has carried on not simply because of the skill or vision of those in high office, but because we, the people, have remained faithful to the ideals of our forebears and true to our founding documents. No matter how small or how big, you were faithful to the oath that you took to protect this nation. And to all the faithful who've journeyed to our capital, Michelle and I are truly honored to be with you this morning.
We give you thanks, Almighty God, for your gift to our nation of Rosa Parks, your good and faithful servant.
Semper Fidelis. That's the ethic of your lives. Always faithful. We see governments engaging in discrimination and violence against the faithful. The faithful come together at churches like St. Stanislav Kostka.
We have pastors whose congregations are doing important work, helping individuals fight addiction and encouraging the faithful around the values of their faith.
May He watch over these faithful families and all who protect us. And may God forever bless the United States of America.